Hi, my name's Piers. I live in London, but spend a lot of time traveling all over the world in Asia. So, that makes it more difficult. Hearing aids, I've known I've been deaf for like 10 years. I finally made the decision to get a hearing aid. Went to a local audiologist and where I live in West London. They were very useful, gave me a lot of good advice, did a hearing test, but ultimately the price point that they were suggesting was high, and I wanted to do a bit of research to confirm that was, the right price to pay before purchasing. So did a bit of research, mostly online, found Auzen and thought I'd give it a try. So set up a free trial session online with them. Super useful. I think the best thing about it, there were lots of good things about it. One was that there was the full range of devices, where the audiologist I'd met face to face just was focused on one particular brand. So be able to look across all the different brands and the pros and cons of each of them, and found something that suited was super good. So anyway, I then, from that one trial session, I liked it. The pricing was almost half what I was offered through the face-to-face session, and seemed to be as good or better or anything else I could find online, and the service was fantastic. So signed up for it. Here's my hearing aid. It's pretty small. It works fine. Took me, I think, 2-3 sessions of sort of optimizing it to get it to where I wanted. So that was not a problem. In about 3 weeks in total. Have a full set of spares so that I can, wherever I'm traveling, wherever I am, I can fix anything if anything needs replacing, or just the wear and tear stuff of it. So all of that works well. What else to say? It was delivered, couriered across to me in a couple of days, so that was all fine. Research from Auzen, I think it is, seemed to be, an online business, which sometimes people have hesitation about. Digging into it more deeply, it was backed up by a big international medical company, which I think gave me the confidence that it was going to stay around for a while, which is important. So that worked well. What advice would I give to other people looking for hearing aids right now? I think don't lock into one. Go and search what's available out there. Try Auzen. Worked for me absolutely perfectly, and no hesitation. I definitely do it again, and I definitely recommend it. Great, thank you.